Good morning all. Today we will study determiners. As it is my first video, hope you will like it. So first is few and second is little. What is few? Few is used with the noun which is countable like students, people, chocolates. For example, a few students, a few people, a few chocolates, a few questions, a few letters. So have you noticed one thing, that after few I have used nouns that are plural. So few will be always used with the nouns that are plural, and little is used with the uncountable nouns, the nouns which cannot be counted but it can be measured. For example, we can measure it in grams, meter or liter. In grams, like sugar, we cannot say a few sugar, we will say a little sugar. We cannot say a few money, we will say little money, little rainfall, little liquid. Hope it is clear the difference between few and little. We are going to study in depth of this topic. So few is classified into few, a few, the few, whereas little can be classified into a little, the little and only little. So first of all, where do we use a little? Where we are talking about in positive sense. And where do we use little? In which we are telling that the thing is very insufficient, negligible or in negative sense. With the example, you will be more clear. Can you give me a dash water? This sentence does not depict any negativity, so here we will use a little. But in next sentence, see, there's little chance that the team will win. Here is a negativity कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा insufficient chances हैं कि टीम जीतेगी. So that's why here we have used little. Hope it is clear with example. We will study more example for more clarity. And where do we use the little? All that is left. For example, the little milk left in the cup has spilled. So here we will use the thing that remains, जो चीज़ left है, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द लिटल मिल्क लेफ्ट, जो मिल्क बचा हुआ था कप में वो गिर गया, स्पिल्ड हो गया. लाइकवाइज फ्यू, द फ्यू एंड अ फ्यू. फ्यू वी विल यूज इन नेगेटिव सेंस, निग्लिजिबल, द थिंग विच इज इनसफिशिएंट. अ फ्यू वी विल यूज इन पॉजिटिव सेंस, द सेंटेंस दैट डू नॉट डिपिक्ट एनी नेगेटिविटी. द फ्यू, ऑल दैट इज लेफ्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई राइट अ फ्यू लेटर्स टू माई बॉस. This sentence does not depict any of negativity. Next, she has a few questions to ask. This sentence does not depict any negativity, so that's why we have used a few. Third is, a very few people live to be 100. What does this sentence mean? कि 100 साल तक कोई ही पर्सन जिंदा रह सकता है, ठीक है. मतलब very few, very few chances are there. That's why we have used only few. Hope it is clear. We will do more examples for more clarity. Can you please give me a little water? First of all, we have to think कि water is countable or uncountable. Water cannot be counted, it can be measured in liters. So that's why we will use little. We will not use few. So can you give me a dash water? Here this sentence does not depict any negativity, so we will use a little. Tia has dash food the entire day. पूरे दिन में टिया ने insufficient food खाया है, ठीक है. This sentence depicts negativity. That's why we will use little. There's dash chance. See, chances can be measured, can be counted, ठीक है. But here we have chance, only single. We don't have plural. So that's why we will use little, a little or the little. There's dash chance that team will win. बहुत ही negligible chances है कि टीम जीतेगी. That's why we will use little. She uses dash sugar these days. बहुत ही negligible sugar use करती है आजकल वो. That's why we will use little. न्यू वर्कर इज़ वेरी लेजी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा आलसी है. शी डज डैश वर्क, बहुत ही निग्लिजिबल काम करती है. दैट्स वाई वी विल यूज़ लिटल बिकॉज दिस सेंटेंस क्लियरली शोज नेगेटिव सेंस. ही इज़ हंग्री बिकॉज ही हैज़ वेरी डैश मनी, बहुत भूख है क्योंकि उसके पास इनसफिशियंट मनी है. इनसफिशियंट मनी मीन्स लिटल. अगेन, शी स्पीक्स इंग्लिश वेरी वेल. शी हैज़ डैश मिस्टेक्स, निग्लिजिबल मिस्टेक्स करती है इंग्लिश बोलते दौरान. ठीक है, निग्लिजिबल मिस्टेक्स है, प्लूरल है. दैट्स वाई वी विल यूज़ अ फ्यू, द फ्यू और अ फ्यू ओनली. सो दैट्स वाई निग्लिजिबल मिस्टेक्स करती है. दैट्स वाई वी विल यूज़ फ्यू. आई हैव गॉट डैश फ्री टाइम, माई जॉब इज़ टू स्ट्रेसफुल. मेरे पास इनसफिशियंट टाइम होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरी जॉब बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल है. इनसफिशियंट टाइम मीन्स लिटल. I write dash emails every day. This sentence does not depict any negativity. ठीक है, तो we will use a few because emails can be counted and it is plural. There is dash butter in the fridge. Butter cannot be counted, it is measured. That's why we will use little because this sentence does not depict any negativity. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and feel free to ask more questions. Thank you.